Hello everyone. In the last lecture, we discussed about what exactly the algorithm is, how to write the algorithms, and we have done some sample algorithms for different problems. Now in today's class, I will explain you about what exactly the flowchart is and how to convert algorithm to flowchart. Basically, what is flowchart? Flowchart is nothing but it is a diagrammatic representation of an algorithm. So whatever the algorithm we have written, that we will convert in the form of flowchart, or we can say in the form of diagrammatic. So here we will use some shapes to convert into the diagrammatic form. First, flow arrow. So whenever we want to show any flow, we will use this arrow. Then start and end, we will use this shape, that is oval shape. Then process, we'll use rectangle box, like if you want to do some mathematical operation or something or anything to process, we can use this rectangle thing. Then decision, whenever we want to print some true or false kind of concept, then we'll go with this diamond symbol. And input output, this is this symbol we'll use for to show the input and output, or to read any input or to print any output. This symbols will be used. Now in the last class we have done some algorithm. The same algorithm I will try to convert into the diagrammatic way. So let us first rub this part and let us start with a simple example. Now, the last concept we have seen to perform the addition of two numbers. So what was the step 1? Start. I told you for the start we will use this oval symbol, start. And whenever it ends, that is also same oval symbol, end. Symbol guys, structure, shape, little you draw it properly. It is same thing, start and end. Next, after the starting, what was the step number 1? Declare the variable, or I can say read the values. So I told you, whenever we want to read anything, then which we were using this shape. It is not rectangular. Here I will say, this is for input and output. Read A and B values. Am I right? After that, if you want to do addition, I told process symbol. This is a rectangle symbol which will do addition, subtraction, whatever it is. So I will write here C is equals to A plus B. So this will process. If you want to print, you can take one more box here. I will take this box little small. Take one more box, or you can write in the same box also, where I will say print C value. Because to print the output, we need the same box. And after that, close our flow. So this is nothing but arrow flow. I told you where our flow is going, that is arrow. This is for starting and ending. This shape, that is oval. Parallelogram will be used for this shape will be used for reading the numbers. And this rectangle things will be for processing. So I have convert our addition of two number algorithm into the flowchart way. I hope it is very clear. Now the second example. In the last diagram, we discussed how to convert sum of the two number into the flowchart. Now in this example, I am going to explain you to find biggest among three by using the flowchart. So here, first we should start. This is the symbol to start. After that, we need the three numbers. So I will write this. Read three numbers A, B and C. After that, we will write condition. What is the condition? If A greater than B. If this condition is true, I wanted to say true. True means check one more condition. I will check if A greater than C. If this is also true, then what we have to print? I will say this box is nothing but print A. Observe very carefully. If this is true, it is checking this. If this is true, it will print A, and it will come at the end and it will say enter. Am I right? But if this is false, So it will come down, false. What it will check? One more condition. If B greater than C. If this condition is true, it will print. If this condition is true, it will print what? Or I will write this side, guys. If this condition is true, it will print B is big. If this condition is true. If this condition is false, it will print C is big. And from here also, if this condition is false, it will print C is big. And in this situation, after this, it will get end here. After this, it will get end. So see, simple. Start the program, read the number, check the condition. True means it is going this side, false means it is going this side. If this is false, then again it is taking true or false. True means it will print and stop. If false means it is printing and it is getting stop. Here also same thing. If this condition is true, it is coming here. If this is true, it will print this and stop. If this is false, then it is coming here. It is printing and it is getting stop. So you can write little in a proper way because congested step I wrote, but the flow is same. I hope you got the clarity how to convert your algorithm into the program. So if you enjoy this, please comment us, like and subscribe for more video. Thank you for watching this video, guys.